The idea of content is actually quite new. So please tell me, what is content and why is it important to have it at all?
Content is there to give value to people. You as a company, you give value to people and you give them some more reasons to come to you besides your product or service. It has multiple purposes, honestly. I mean, I could go ahead and say it's about trust. You give them a reason to trust you because you show you have know-how in your space. That's one reason. Another reason is plain acquisition, because content done right brings you customers and leads and prospects and potential investors. Because, investors search Google, for example. If you have your own website and you provide content there, your investors will at some point look for something on Google, some specific searches that are particularly important for investors. And you probably know what they are because you know your audience. And so if you provide content, it has this possibility of plain acquisition, not necessarily only warming up prospects, but I mean, not necessarily once you have them, you give them the trust, but you can bring them in from scratch. And it helps also in a more poetic way. It helps complete your brand, give it a full shape and form, and it gives you the platform to talk about everything that your brand represents, other than a logo and a message on the homepage. It gives it more color.